Namaste children. Good afternoon. Today we are dealing with the textbook. Page number 28. Page number 28. In the textbook, Unit 2 travel class listening skill first will go. Okay. Next first we'll listen the audio. Based on that we will do that listening skill. Okay. Let's start.
Unit 2 Travel. Guys, traveling is always a lot of fun. Going from one place to another and collecting information about those places is always very adventurous. Meeting different people and exchanging social and cultural views naturally bring us together. However, most people always plan their holidays and explore new places in search of peace and tranquility. Mr. Ajay is Reema's father. He is planning to visit some cool place this time with his family. Let's carefully listen to his conversation with Mr. Singh, the travel agent from Sita Travels, to get an idea about a great Indian spiritual place.
Kanyakumari, where three seas meet. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Hello, I'm Ajay. I'm planning a holiday trip to South. Can you guide me?
South India is full of places of tourist attraction. Do you have any particular place in mind, Mr. Ajay?
Can you give me some information about Kanyakumari?
Well, Kanyakumari is located at the southernmost tip of India. It is the place where three seas meet.
How can we reach there?
Kanyakumari is well connected by rail and road. The nearest airport is at Thiruvananthapuram, which is 87 kilometers away from Kanyakumari.
What type of clothes should we carry with us during this season?
The climate is humid, so carry only cotton clothes with you. Oh, let me also tell you, Mr. Ajay, that the main languages spoken there are Tamil, Malayalam and English. I think you won't have any problem with the language.
Can you tell me about the places to be seen there, Mr. Singh?
My pleasure, sir. You must visit Kumari Amman Temple, Gandhi Memorial, Lighthouse, Vivekananda Rock Memorial, and don't forget the bathing ghats. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is the most important tourist place. It is located on a huge rock in the sea and was built in 1970. There is a ferry service to visit the memorial. I'm sure you will enjoy the ferry ride. Kanyakumari is famous for its spectacular sunrise and sunset, especially on full moon days. Its beaches are wonderful with multicolored sands. I am sure that you will enjoy your visit.
Thank you, Mr. Singh.
Welcome, sir. Bye. Till we meet again.
Wow, what a fabulous place Kanyakumari is. So students, after listening to the conversation on Kanyakumari, where three seas meet, please answer these questions. Name the two people who were conversing with each other. Who wanted to go on a holiday trip? Where is Kanyakumari located? Which is the nearest airport to Kanyakumari? Why are cotton clothes mainly preferred in Kanyakumari? Which languages are mainly spoken in Kanyakumari? Name any two tourist places of Kanyakumari. Where is Vivekananda Rock Memorial located? When was it built? What is the color of sand on the beaches of Kanyakumari?
Children, now till now we listen the audio. Based on the audio, now we have to fill B.3. Okay, that is the B.2. See here, Reema's parents are planning a holiday trip to Kanyakumari during her summer vacation. Her father, Mr. Ajay Jain, meets Mr. Singh from Sita Travels to get information about the place. Just now you listen a conversation between who is that? Mr. Ajay and Mr. Singh. Mr. Singh is a travel agent person, and Mr. Ajay wants to go and visit some places in tourist places in the India. So that conversation we want to go to southern places, and that too Mr. Ajay wants me know about the Kanyakumari. The visiting place is Kanyakumari. So the conversation went between the Mr. Ajay and Mr. Singh. So based on the listening, I think you have answered some question earlier now in the audio. Now some more questions to be answered here. Again, if you doesn't, again you go forward. What we say the backward and listen the audio, or you have CD at home, play the CD, answer these questions. Okay, this is based on the listening skill. I'm not going to give the answers here. Based on that, oh, you should improve your listening skill. If I give the answers, it's not useful to you. Okay, now we'll go for next bit. B.4. Now we completed the listening activity. Now we have to write a writing skill. That activity, one activity we have to do. So now read the B.4. Now read the advertisements given below. Yeah, summer delights, Snowcrest Manor, Manali, a deluxe 30-room hotel located at the highest point in Manali, offering the best view in town with all modern facilities. Now, Springfields, Shimla, a large 11-room Maharaja's retreat with private lawns, parking, beautiful view, and royal service. These are the uh, uh, features of the particular places. Okay, hotels. Discuss in group of 4 what information these two advertisements provide to you. Okay, here we discuss now here a deluxe room. So that shows 30-room hotel means it's a hotel having 30 rooms, and it's saying that its speciality if you if you stay in that hotel, you can view the town uh, from my hotel. They said that in Shimla they are saying that you have so many facilities like private lands, parking, beautiful view, royal service, and a retreat of Maharaja retreat, like you will treat like visitor Maharaja. So all these facilities they discussed within the short phrase. Okay. And some more places are there here. B.5, you read all these. See, a travel agency has given travel ads package to the students of your school. Read the ads carefully and show the page to your parents. Now the perfect vacation, the what is that what is the name of the travels? Beta Travels. Okay, the perfect vacation, it's a name of this what is this voucher? We say this is called voucher. Voucher means some information given in about that particular place. But information is there. Voucher means it's a kind of information. Or we say that brochure, not voucher, sorry, brochure. Brochure means about that particular place or particular thing or particular institution. They will explain detailed. If you read these all details, you come to know the particular place about clearly what are the features, main features of that particular place, and what things to visit interestingly, and all the here mentioned. So perfect with Beta Travels to the world's amazing places. These are the saying that these 4 are the amazing places, and they had given 4 places details and how they reflect, how they are effective. in your travel. Okay, and why should you visit the place, what are the special features of the place, they explain everything here. And attraction also mentioned, like that they had given the details of the place and what is the attraction, everything mentioned here. So and here down they mentioned that how many days and how many nights. So 7 days and 8 nights, it's a package. Package means once you book that package, you should pay the money, but and you should be with them those days, the particular days. Only 7 days and 8 days mentioned, but they did not mention the calendar dates. So from of this month they did not mention, only this days package and night package mentioned. And choose any two of the above places, not all four, only two you have chance. For this package cost is 30,000 per person. See, you have to give the per person or the for the family or the for 4 members, or like that you have to mention. Otherwise, it will be a big problem. And they had given the phone numbers, contact phone numbers. They have big travels have in Mumbai and Delhi, so they had given the two phone numbers. This is called brochure. Okay, ad brochure, you say that ad brochure. So next, you have to write your own, you have to write a travel brochure. So you writing a travel, now we learn how to write a travel brochure or a travel ad. Ad is nothing but short form of the advertisement, writing a travel advertisement. Now which place you want to visit, first you select that place. Okay, and collect the pictures of that particular place. Okay, here sea is there, Golconda Fort or something, what is this, so fort here, beach is there, again one fort, famous fort, and one more beach. So like that you have to select a best one which you like the most. And then for this assignment, what should you do? You work at a travel agency. Now you are working at a travel agency. It is your job to tell vacations to foreign places. Sell vacations means what? You have to uh, tell about vacation, how travel agent works, like that you have to tell. Suppose you, if you know, Singh has done in the audio, he has, he told about that what are the features of the place. So like that if you explain, if they have interest, they will ready to travel with you, with your agency. You will need to create a travel advertisement to persuade your client to go to that place. So you should show some important places effectively to attract the visitors. Okay, persuade me. What does this mean? Turn and talk to your partner. Now, actually, this is a group activity. Now you are going to do your own way. So learn what should you do in that. What kinds of things should we include in our ad? What kind of things? Already you saw on model brochure in page number 30. Now you can write. Those are the models explain. Okay. Now you can write your ad. Use the tile whiteboards and make a list of items you feel should include in your travel advertisement. So what kind of things you should add? Explain the place interestingly. First you have to explain why that place is to visit. Why should you visit that place? So you should use interesting, you should present it interestingly and highlight the special features of the place with the different adjectives, short and cute phrases. So don't use lengthy sentences. It should be short and cute phrases. Use adjectives. Okay, and package days and nights, cost of the package, how many days and how many nights, what is the cost of that package, address of the travel agency, and special offers to attract the visitors. Are there any special attractions, any special offers? Suppose if you come 2 members, it will cost around 60,000. If you come with your family, about 5 members, it may come in you 1 lakh. Like that, if you give offers with less amount, more people can visit. Those kind of offers will attract the visit. So you have to make your advertisement interesting, no, effectively. Use more adjectives to give the details clearly in short sentences. That is the, so don't give more sentence. No one like to read the lengthy sentences in the brochure. They want to write, see in the newspapers they will give the short phrase. With that phrase only you come to know what is the matter of that and that. So like that you have to choose the right phrase to use. Now try remember. What should you have to remember? Remember to choose a place that you are familiar with you. So you want to write about that USA place or any other foreign countries place. Those are not familiar to us. So which place is familiar? Suppose you're in your village, near your village, any Varangal, Thousand Pillar Temple is there, and Laknavaram is a famous place to visit. So it's if you visit that those places, you can enjoy. Like in that here in Hyderabad, Charnar, like that places you have to select. Okay, and Anantagiri Hills also there in the Hyderabad. So you should know that the place. Then only you will explain detailed. Okay, this will make the description of the place you are writing about easier to complete. Why you have to use familiar places? This to make to explain easier, to explain in easy way. That place should be familiar. Remember to use your brainstorm to complete your writing. Brainstorm is nothing but draw a place name and write what are the important features of that place, and why should you give this explanation to, no, means what, how can you attract the visitors to that place. Everything you should write in a mind map. Brainstorm is nothing but a mind map. Okay, then we'll go the final activity, page number 31. Do you and your parents like travel package offered by Beta Travels? Why not? You should write this answer. Teacher is not going to give answer, as you should write. Your feelings are different from my opinion. So that the question is saying that you and your parents like travel packages offered by Beta Travels. Beta Travels is given in the previous page, page number 30. You already read those read that information. Do you like the travels? Beta Travel offered something. Do you like? If you like, why you like that? If you don't like, suppose you don't like that. If you don't like, why you don't like? So you should write 1 or 2 sentences, or 2-3 sentences. If you want to fill this. Okay, find more about a place that you wish to visit during winter vacation. Now you summer vacation completed. Now you are going to plan somewhere else in the winter vacation, some place winter vacation. So you are going to prepare a travel ad now. Paste the picture of that place, write 3-4 sentences to make travel ad for the place. Very simple beta. You have to do this one in the textbook itself. Which place do you like the most? You and your family like to visit the place. So paste the small picture, a picture, or in your textbook the length is given, same length picture you have to cut the sides and paste that picture and write about this particular place. Now you are making a travel ad. So in the previous slide I said that what are the important things to be remembered. Those points should write and take help of that video. Again you go pause the video and read the points and make a brochure, make a ad, travel ad of your own. So I think you got the point. If you don't know, if you have any doubts, please text to me to my personal number. So today we completed page number from 28 to 31. So next audio we are going to deal with the textbook Jungle Safari lesson only. Okay.